Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 4. Look dear students, here our today's topic is conjunction and this is our lecture number 5 and SW number 5. So dear students, please follow the board. Look dear students, conjunction. At first, in your book you will get two pictures here, and look dear students, here the sentence which you can get in your book. Here at first you have to read the sentence, Sarah and Zara are reading. Then look dear students, in another picture, slow but steady wins the race. Look dear students, here you have got here two sentences, okay, and in this sentence you will get the bold word and but. Okay, now look dear students, we will know about conjunction. Okay, what is the relation with these sentences with the term conjunction? Look dear students, at first I am going to say something about conjunction. A conjunction is a word which joins two or more words, phrases or sentences. Okay dear students, look, the main function of conjunction is to establish connection between words, phrases and sentences. Look dear students, here the sentence Sarah and Zara are reading. Look dear students, here these two words Sarah and Zara, we have joined these two words by using the word and. Okay, so dear students, here the word and is an example of conjunction. Okay, look dear students, in our next sentence, slow but steady wins the race. Look dear students, here these two sentences, these two words here I have joined with the word by using the word but, and here the word but is an example of conjunction. So dear students, what we have learned from this term of conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins two or more words, phrases or sentences. Okay. And look dear students, here note, a conjunction is never connected with an object as a preposition is. Okay. Then look, a conjunction never qualifies a word as an adverb does. It simply joins words, phrases or sentences. I am going to read some sentences so that you can understand about the term of conjunction. Look here. A. Jamal and Kamal are brothers. Number B. She is intelligent but her sister is foolish. Look dear students, here in the first sentence the conjunction and joins two words, Jamal and Kamal. And look dear students, here in the second sentence, in this second sentence the conjunction but joins two sentences, like she is intelligent and then the another sentence is what? Her sister is foolish. So here the word but have joined these two sentences. So here the word but is an example of conjunction. Okay, the words used as conjunction are look here, and, but, or, get, either, neither, so, as, because, if, unless, whether, since, before, after, as well as etc. Now dear students, here I am going to do some exercise so that you can understand it easily. Okay, look, choose the suitable conjunction given in the box to join the sentences. Okay, look, from this box you have to choose suitable conjunction, okay, to join these sentences. Okay, look, number A, Rifat can't go to work, he has the flu. Now dear students, by here you will get some clues, okay, and by using these clues now I will join these two sentences. Look, Rifat can't go to work. Rifat can't go to work because he has the flu. Look dear students, here I have used the word because, which is an example of conjunction. Okay, so look here, Rifat can't go to work because he has the flu. The number B, she was going out to play, full stop, it rained, again full stop. Now I am going to join these two sentences. Look, like this way. Here you have to write, she was going out to play although it rained. The number C, you came to visit me, full stop, I was ill, full stop. Then it's now I am going to join these two sentences. Look here dear students, you came to visit me when I was ill. You came to visit me when I was ill. So dear students, here the word when is an example of conjunction. Okay. Now number D. Tina waited to speak, full stop. The song was over, full stop. Here I have joined these two sentences like this way. Tina waited to speak until the song was over. Tina waited to speak until the song was over. Okay. Then number E. He slept late, full stop. He made it to school on time. Look dear students, here you have to join these two sentences like this way. He slept late, yet he made it to school on time. Then number F. She is honest, full stop. Everyone trusts her, full stop. Look dear students, here you can join these two sentences by like this way. She is honest, so everyone trusts her. So dear students, here I have joined these two sentences by using the word so. So here dear students, so the word so is an example of conjunction. Then number Z. He went to the cinema, full stop. He enjoyed an adventure film. Here you have to write it like this way. He went to the cinema and enjoyed an adventure film. So here here I have joined these two sentences by using the word and here the word and is an example of conjunction. Now number H. I visit the Grand Canyon, full stop. I go to Arizona. Okay. Now dear students, I have joined these two sentences like this way. I visit the Grand Canyon whenever I go to Arizona. So like this way, here I have joined these two sentences. Okay. Now number I. We decided to go to the beach, full stop. The sun shone, full stop. Here you can write it. You can join these two sentences like this way. We decided to go to the beach, but the sun shone. But the sun shone. So dear students, here the word but is an example of conjunction because we have joined here these two sentences by using the word. And now number Z. I will do the work, full stop. You come, full stop. Here you can write, you can do this, you can join these two sentences like this way. I will do the work if you come. I will do the work if you come. So dear students, here the word if is an example of conjunction. So what we have learned about conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins two or more words, phrases or sentences. Okay, and the main function of conjunction is to establish connection between words, phrases and sentences, which we have found in these examples. Look dear students, now I am going to give your SW. You have to do from A to E. That means this A to E you have to do, you have to write their answer as your SW. Dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again. Allah Hafiz.